Hi! In front of me is Nokia T10 and today I would like to show you how you can manage adaptive brightness. First of all, go into Devices Settings and scroll down just a bit to access Display. Following that, click on the gray switcher next to Adaptive Brightness in order to activate it. As you can see, my switcher turned blue. That means that auto brightness is enabled, but you can always disable it by clicking on the same one again. You can also click on Adaptive Brightness instead and manage the same switcher from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!